Men don't always realize this, but when a woman touches your arm, it's rarely just a friendly gesture. Most men assume it's nothing, something casual, just a touch as part of a normal conversation. But here's the truth. Women use physical touch in very specific ways to gauge attraction, build connection, and sometimes even test your confidence. If you've been brushing it off as nothing, you could be missing out on a clear sign of interest, something far deeper than just a quick, innocent touch. Let's break this down so you can understand exactly what's going on and why it's so important. 1. She's testing the waters. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a conversation, cracking a joke, and suddenly she lightly places her hand on your arm as she laughs. It's subtle, almost like it could be nothing at all. But trust me, it's effective. Why? Because it's a low-risk way for her to gauge your response. Women are incredibly perceptive when it comes to body language. She wants to see, are you receptive to her touch? Or do you shy away? If you don't react negatively, she'll take that as a green light to keep moving forward. It's like a social experiment, but instead of lab coats and test tubes, it's all about subtle gestures, body language, and unspoken chemistry. You might think it's just a quick touch, but in reality, she's watching how you react. If you lean in, if you smile, if you make eye contact, it tells her you're comfortable with the closeness. If you pull back or seem uncomfortable, she'll probably back off. It's a delicate dance of subtle cues, and each one counts. 2. She's feeling a connection. Ever noticed how when people bond, they start to mirror each other's actions? It's something that happens naturally, without thinking about it. And guess what? Women are experts at it. When she touches your arm, it's her body's way of subconsciously saying, hey, I feel comfortable around you. It's instinctive behavior that builds trust and deepens emotional connections. Think about it. When someone feels comfortable with you, they're more likely to want to get closer, both physically and emotionally. So if she's touching you during a conversation, it's a sign that she's engaged, she's present, and most importantly, she's enjoying your company. You'll likely notice that as she feels more comfortable, her touches will become more frequent and more confident. It's her way of saying, I'm into you, without saying a word. 3. She's emphasizing a point. Now let's say you're talking about something exciting, maybe a story that really lights you up, and all of a sudden, boom, her hand lands on your arm. It's not random, and it's not just because she's feeling friendly. It's a way for her to grab your attention and emphasize what she's saying. People naturally use physical contact to highlight key moments in a conversation. It's the equivalent of adding an exclamation point without speaking louder. If she touches your arm while talking, it means she's emotionally invested in the conversation and wants to make sure you are too. It's like she is making sure her message is being heard, not just through words, but through the touch. It signals to you that what she's saying matters. So pay attention. 4. She's flirting, whether she realizes it or not. Here's the thing about attraction. Sometimes people don't even realize they're flirting. A woman might touch your arm instinctively because she's drawn to you, and her body is simply acting on those feelings. Her subconscious is leading the charge, long before her mind has fully processed her interest. It's almost like her body is saying, I like you, while her mind is still figuring it out. So, if you notice frequent casual touches, it's a strong sign she's feeling that spark. And here's the kicker. She might not even realize it herself. Maybe she's not even thinking of it as flirting, but if her touch lingers just a second longer than usual, that's your cue. She's subconsciously showing interest. And sometimes, it's up to you to pick up on it. 5. She wants to feel closer to you, literally. Physical touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. When she touches your arm, even if it's just a brief moment, her body is generating those feel-good chemicals that deepen her sense of connection to you. This is why touch is such a powerful tool in attraction. It's not just about being close for a second, it's about building something more lasting and meaningful. If she's touching your arm repeatedly, it's not just friendly. She's reinforcing that connection each time. It's her way of saying, I'm comfortable with you and I want to be closer. If she's reaching out to touch you while speaking, it's her way of saying, you matter. And that's a clear indicator she's invested in the interaction. 6. She's making sure you're paying attention. Let's be honest. Sometimes guys zone out. Maybe you're mid-conversation and, for whatever reason, your focus starts to drift. Women pick up on these things quickly, and that's when the strategic arm touch comes into play. It's a subtle way for her to bring you back into the moment, to make sure you're tuned into what she's saying. It's like a physical underline in a sentence. A gentle tap on the arm says, "Hey, don't miss this." When she touches your arm during a conversation, it's a reminder that she wants you to really hear what she's saying. So, if you're interested, show that you're paying attention. Smile, respond, and stay engaged. 7. She's seeing how you respond to her touch. Here's where things get interesting. When a woman touches your arm, she's not just doing it because she feels like it. She's watching how you react. Do you lean in slightly? Do you freeze up, unsure of how to respond? Do you pull away, uncomfortable with the closeness? Your response is telling her everything she needs to know about how you feel about her and the situation. If you seem comfortable and reciprocate the energy, maybe by gently touching her back or leaning in, it shows her that you're on the same page. But if you seem uncomfortable or tense, she'll likely hold back. Your body language speaks volumes, even when your words don't. 8. She wants you to make a move. Sometimes, a woman will touch your arm as a way of encouraging you to escalate things. It's a subtle invitation. She's testing the waters, hoping you'll take the hint and move things forward. If she is touching your arm repeatedly and lingering just a little longer each time, she's practically handing you an open door. It's her way of saying, "I like being close to you. What are you going to do about it?" So, if you're interested, don't just stand there. Reciprocate with your own subtle gestures. You don't have to make a grand move, but you can build the chemistry and let things evolve naturally. A touch, a smile, eye contact, it all adds up. So the next time a woman touches your arm, pay attention to the context. It's not just a random act, it's a signal, a chance for you to connect, to show confidence, and to build something more. And the best part? You don't have to overthink it. Just be aware, be present, and respond with authenticity.